Hello and welcome back to Solidworks 2019 training. I'm your host, Trevor Smale, and today we're going to make a quick part. I'm just going to start off by clicking on the Solidworks icon and opening the application. And we have an interesting start screen project by Aerovelo, Canadian company, I guess, creating a speed bike. Okay, we'll get started with a new part template. And we are going to start off by sketching on the top plane. So we're going to go over to the feature manager on the left-hand side running vertically. And we're going to select the top plane by right-clicking and then left-clicking on sketch. This will open up a new sketch on the top plane. I'm going to go with a center point rectangle and click on the center point origin, drag it out, and click again to confirm. Now I'm going to use the Smart Dimension tool to add some dimensions. So right now we've got 136 millimeter height. I'm going to change that to 100. And I'm going to change this horizontal dimension to 150. Now we can exit this finalized sketch by clicking the Exit Sketch button here. And now we are going to go to our Features tab on the ribbon menu and select Extruded Boss Base. That will flip our part over and show us the extrusion depth. So if I drag this up and down, I can control the extrusion depth freely. And if I drag it onto the ruler, I get incremental adjustments. I'm just going to make this 50 millimeters tall. We can confirm this by clicking the green arrow in the upper right-hand corner. And we've got our first solid object. So what I'm going to do is create an indentation in this part so that we can mate these two parts together in the next video. So what I'm going to do is next use the Extruded Cut tool. So first I need to create a sketch. I'm going to right-click on the top of this box and create a new sketch. And what I want to do is use the corner rectangle, which is the next rectangular tool. And as you can see, there's a lot of magic alignment tools within SolidWorks, so I can see when I'm on the center line. So I want to choose the center point of this object and just drag it out to the corner. So we have exactly half of the object. Now I'm going to go to my Features tools on the ribbon menu and choose Extruded Cut, which will allow me to bring it down. I'm going to choose 25 millimeters. And boom, we have our first part. It's quite simple, but it's our first part. So let's just save this out and save it as first part. And we're done. You've created your first 3D object in SolidWorks. Congratulations. If you like this video, just click like or subscribe and follow on through my tutorial series for more. Thank you very much.